I am currently in the hottest place on earth. This is my playground. I am excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm super excited. I am currently in the hottest place on earth, and it is hot. It's currently 109 degrees according to the sign at the visitor center. This place looks like you're on another planet. It is very interesting. It's 6 o'clock in the evening and the sun is just starting to set, so I'm thinking about exploring a little bit. I went to the visitor center and got a map. I love when they do the maps like this. It is so organized. They have the map and they have all these numbers on it. And then you look over here and you find the corresponding number and it tells you exactly what it is, if you have to walk and how long it takes to get there. I love that. So I'm gonna go to Badwater Basin, which is the lowest point in North America at 282 feet below sea level. Let's go. There's a sign that says sea level up there. That was cool. Kind of felt like being at the beach with the little breeze and the salt in the air, except no ocean to cool off in. But it felt really good being out there. That was a cool experience. I'm so happy I got to do that. We're like way out here. This park is 3 million acres big. It's just a whole lot of land. It's pretty amazing that things like this exist. And you just have to come way out here to experience them. So they look different. I thought it was gonna look like that, but apparently it changes all year round. It kind of goes through cycles. With the flooding and all that, it like floods and then it dries up, and then the salt changes formation all year long, so that's cool. So we just saw it how it is now, how it's just kind of, it doesn't have those pretty little lines and shapes like in the picture, but it's still cool. So now I'm curious about the sand dunes, the Mesquite Flat sand dunes. How do we get there? I feel like I've sweat every toxin in my body out, which is great. It feels good. Like, I feel good. I feel hot and sweaty and gross, but I feel good. Legs got sunburnt today. Oops. How cool is this? Never been on a sand dune. Not like this. This is so cool. I feel like I'm at the beach without the water. Feels so good right now. You don't know what kind of rock. It's crusty. It's kind of chalky. The sun just set, so so the colors are beautiful. Got the purple mountains back there. Oh, it's delicious. It's quiet, it's peaceful. Got the place to myself. There's some people around. You can kind of have your own sand dune. You can go as far as you want. There's no trails. Just keep going and going. This is perfect. Love this. Feels so good to have my feet in the sand. It's been so long. It's so soft under my feet. I could just walk in this for days. Oh, it's amazing. Yes. Beautiful. This is my playground. This is so beautiful. Good morning, we're back in the desert. We went from Phoenix in the desert to northern Arizona in the forest, and now we're back in the desert in Nevada, just over the state line on the border of California and Nevada, and we're still technically in the park. So we spent the night in Death Valley National Park. It's about 9 o'clock, it's 80 degrees already in the van. I'm gonna try to get some things done quickly that I need to do outside, like scoop Sadie's litter box and sweep the van out and things like that, and start hitting the road because it's gonna heat up really fast, and I think we're kind of over the heat right now, so we're ready for some cooler temperatures. Sadie, sweet girl. The rocks are probably too hot for your little paws, aren't they? Sweet baby. We rolled in here after dark, so I had no idea what this place looked like. It was pitch black. I didn't know if there were any cars around or anything. It was just all mysterious, and I like waking up and being surprised at what's around me. And I am pleasantly surprised. It looks a lot like the Sonoran Desert in southern Arizona that I stay in a lot in the winter. So beautiful. I love being able to see for miles and miles. Like, there's a road way over there, just miles away probably, and man, I'm gonna stop talking and just let you enjoy the view too. Close all the curtains. Fan's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I'm happy we painted the wheels. I think it looks great. It gives them an edge. Just a little bit. Like when I got my tongue pierced when I was 19. It gave me just a little edge. I think think we're the only ones out here. This is amazing. It's so amazing we can just be out here. We can just be. I found it on iOverlander. I wouldn't have known it was here otherwise. It's just a side road. You pull off on the main road going out of the park. The park is that way. Just came through those mountains and the border is just like right there, and then we just came here. There's a main road there and lots of pull-offs. As you can see, people have already made fire pits and it just keeps going. Yeah, love it. God, it's so beautiful. I think we're above sea level now. We have climbed out of the ocean. Time to get things done and hit the road. I guess that's the sign for the park. Got people taking pictures in front of it. It's so funny. It's like nothing for miles and miles and miles. And then you just see some people randomly in the middle of the desert with this sign. Good luck, folks. It's gonna get hot today. I think I'm gonna take my picture when they leave. See, the Nevada border is right there. Death Valley there. Nevada there. Nevada, sorry. Pronouncing it wrong. I wish I could stay longer, but I need to get back to civilization. I need a shower. I need a hot meal that was prepared by someone else. Just some other little luxuries that I can't get out here. I'd love to stay longer, but it's time to go. So I think I'm gonna go to Fresno because the like Sequoia and Kingland Canyon is kind of in between here and Fresno. Instead of like going straight through it, which would be a straight shot, we have to go down, like go back down south and go around it because the mountains are too high and it's a national park. So we have to go all the way down around it, which is going to take a lot longer, but we're kind of going out of the way, but that's just what we have to do. And that's just part of the journey and part of the process. It's gonna be quite an adventurous day today as temperatures are skyrocketing and we are going further south as it heats up, but just one more day and I think we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be out of the heat. Probably can't see how cool it looks from the camera, but God, it's just massive. That's probably like the lowest part over there. It's crazy looking. Like, how are we still on planet Earth? How is this not another planet in outer space? It blows my mind. I'm so excited. I'm happy we get to drive back through it. It's just so mysterious. So weird. We finally made it out of Death Valley. We are in Central California in Fresno, taking care of some things. I'm at Whole Foods. They didn't have fresh pressed juices and smoothies like a lot of them do at the cafe, but they still have the bottled ones. Second best choice. So I got my juice fix, got my shower done yesterday. I'm feeling so fresh and clean. Did laundry this morning. Got a few groceries at Whole Foods, and now we're going to head to Yosemite National Park.